Hi, welcome to HET 192. This week we're going to be talking about sheet metal workers. As you know, in HVAC, the V stands for ventilation. How we move air is through ductwork. Ductwork is both fabricated by sheet metal workers and installed by sheet metal workers. Sheet metal is a complex process where the work will be using many different types of machines such as brakes, shears, and hand tools to create sheet metal. The installer will take that sheet metal and put it up. Sometimes in smaller shops, the sheet metal worker may create the sheet metal and install it themselves. So sheet metal is a trade in and of itself, or at some companies, the installer, especially in residential companies, the installer themselves will do all the sheet metal. They will create, they'll make whatever fittings and transitions they need, and they can possibly, and residentially, they may purchase the actual ductwork, but they need to create their fittings. In sheet metal, you need to be very accurate in your measurements. You need to, you'll be spending time on ladders, you'll be spending time in hot places and cold places, so your environment's constantly varying. But it's a very creative position because you are laying out and designing a job from beginning to end. So sheet metal work is very satisfying. I know myself, I did sheet metal work on the residential end, and it was very satisfying seeing a home completed, everything working fine, and you knew you did it. So the creativity is there. In most of the installation jobs, there is a lot of creativity because you have to look at it, again, lay it out, in some cases design it all. Sometimes you'll be getting a blueprint and you need to precisely follow that print, and of course there are times when you have to make changes and adapt. But the sheet metal worker needs creativity and is a problem solver. So it's a great career. There's plenty of specialty shops that need different types of sheet metal workers because it's more than just HVAC work that's done. Sheet metal workers do flashing, different types of roofing, and other things in the field. So good luck with your assignments this week, and we'll see you next time.